If you're wondering how to create an invoice in Xero, you're in the right place. Whether you're a business owner or a freelancer, creating invoices is one of the first things you need to do when you're starting out with Xero. This simple process will help keep your financials organized, ensure you're getting paid on time, and make tax time a breeze. So let's get straight to it. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're in, go to the Business tab at the top of the screen and click on Invoices. You'll be taken to a page where you can see all your previous invoices or create a new one. To create an invoice, click on the New Invoice button in the upper right corner. From there, you'll be prompted to choose the contact for whom you're creating the invoice. If this is a new client, you can easily add them by clicking Add New Contact and filling out their details. Make sure to add the correct billing address and contact information for accurate invoicing. Next, you'll want to fill in the details of the invoice. This includes the date of the invoice, payment terms, and due date. Xero automatically sets the date to today's date, but you can easily adjust it to whatever works for you. Make sure the payment terms are clear. For example, you might want to select due on receipt or net 30, depending on your business's standard practices. Now comes the fun part, adding your line items. This is where you list the products or services you've provided. Simply enter the description, quantity, unit price, and Xero will automatically calculate the total. If you're selling items, you can also pull up inventory from your catalog, or if it's a service, you can just type it in manually. Once you've added all the details, don't forget to add taxes if necessary. Xero makes it easy by allowing you to apply your default tax rates, but you can also manually change them if needed. After that, you can either save the invoice as a draft or send it straight to your client. If you're ready to send it, you can click Approve, and then either email the invoice directly from Xero or download it as a PDF to send through your own email. The good news is that with Xero, you'll never have to worry about keeping track of payments manually. You can set up automatic payment reminders to let your clients know when payments are due or overdue. And once they pay, you can mark the invoice as paid, so your records stay accurate and up to date. And here's the thing. You don't need to pay anything to get started. If you're new to Xero, you can use the software completely free from the link below with our exclusive bonuses. This extended trial will give you the perfect opportunity to explore all the invoicing and accounting features Xero has to offer without any commitment. So, now that you know how to create an invoice in Xero, go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's an easy, efficient way to manage your finances. Remember, the link below will give you an extended free trial with some exclusive bonuses, so be sure to check it out before it's too late. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into some advanced invoicing features that will save you even more time. Stay tuned.